Hi traders. First of all, I want to congratulate you for your courage of taking the first step to learn how to trade on the market. Because most people desire to be financially free, but only few of them take any action to actually be so. So whether you are a beginner trader or an advanced trader who are trying to find a consistently profitable method, this video series will provide you with one of the most powerful techniques which are used by the most banks and the big financial institutions. You may be asking yourself, why do I share this knowledge and why should I reveal the secrets that make me money? I have been asked these questions a couple of times, and if I was in your shoes, I would ask the same. So let me tell you something, trading is totally different from any other business, right? If I show you my strategy and how I make money, it will not affect my own results. Because when you start trading the same way as I do, we will take approximately the same trades. And if you are a big community of traders who take the same trades, we will be able to move the markets in our direction. Because this is how the market moves actually. If the amount of the buyers is more than sellers, the market goes up. And if the amount of sellers is more than the buyers, the market goes down. So what motivates me to share my knowledge is the fact that I'm a big believer that everyone can become a profitable trader. You can become a successful trader if you have the two important things. First one is the right trading method and the right trading mindset. This video series will provide you with the right trading method because it will show you how the big boys trade the market, and we will understand how the banks and the financial institutions manipulate the market and trap the retail traders like us. And we will study in detail the principles of their trading strategies, which are mostly based on the supply and demand. And these trading methods will give you the ability to identify the market turning points in advance before they happen. And if you have this knowledge, you will take the trades with low risk and high reward, which is the key element of success as a trader. So knowing when banks and institutions are selling and buying in the market will increase our odds of success, right? And our trades will have the high probability to go in our favor because we are not following the retail traders analysis. We are following the footprints of the banks and the big financial institutions. And this method is advanced. And if you are a beginner trader, you should have some basic knowledge of trading before taking this video series. So this is the reason why I decided to start the basic knowledge that everyone who wants to trade on the market needs to know. As a trader or a beginner or an advanced trader, you need to know how to read your charts because I strongly believe that charts have some specific language. And if you don't know how to speak this language, you will not understand what the market is trying to tell you. So this language is called Japanese candlesticks. Traders, at any point in time you feel that this video explanation is useful, then do like and share this video, and you may forget by end of this video. So we can pause for 5 seconds to subscribe and like this video. And the first basic skill that you should acquire as a trader is the ability to understand the candlestick patterns formation because they will give some information about the buyers and sellers. Okay, and it also gives the information of their state of mind and will help you to predict future price movements. The second basic skill is a market structure, which is you need to know how to identify that and differentiate between the different types of markets, such as trending markets, ranging markets, and some choppy markets. And also, you should be able to identify the different types of moves, such as impulse moves and some retracement moves. And finally, we should be able to identify the support and resistance, which are considered to be the turning points in the market. These levels have some psychological influence on sellers and buyers because they are considered to be the turning points. And if you are a beginner or an intermediate trader, I highly recommend you to pay attention to this video series and give yourself time to study and practice all the technical concepts because this will allow you to understand and master these supply and demand advanced trading methods.